If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so for you see the face I hear the voice, and you don't know say a KOGENCY. Pon the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today we have Dsavv EPL. Now I really wasn't going to do a reaction today, right? Because I have some stored up where I know so you guys, you know, wanna see that. But for like the past 4 or 5 days, I kid you not, bro, where I'm replying to all the comments, I see a new person telling me to react to Dsavv EPL. On the last Dsavv song I did on the channel, it didn't even bang like that, bro. It didn't even, you know what I'm saying? It didn't indicate to me that you guys want to react to more Dsavv or want me to react to more Dsavv. But for the past 5 days or 4 days, bro, you guys have been going mad. So, you know, I gotta bring it, you know? I don't want to waste any time. You don't know. N17, the farm block, the yard man them, Tottenham man them, you understand? So you know, say me, I'm ready, bro. I feel a connection to it already because the farm block man them and the yard connection, and you understand? So I just want to link up. No, we'll link up over there, so, and link up in the other side. You see me? So hit that like or dislike button, jump to the comments, can reply to all the comments, and let's go. Steadyton Avenue, N17, Dsavv.
Hey.
Is that green flag that? Yes, it is. This is... Oh, my God. Sorry. This is that already. Green flag. Anything green get burned. All right. Say no more, bro. All right, bro. In a ring of fire.
I'll burn man's chest with fucking bullets. Make him drop him fucking
Oh, so you got burn man's chest. You see I brought out the vest, man. The puffer vest, man. I heard it was rude and it was greasy. So I had to bring out the puffer vest to protect my chest. PYC, man. I don't want him swinging any chest shots around there, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm protecting my chest today, bro. You can't rip through this fabric, bro. Swing my shanka. It's goose nice February. Joe, let's go.
I'll burn man's chest with fucking bullets. Make him drop him fucking sweets. Free boogie B here, beast is shanked. He shanked up and also sneaks. I can't lie, man, love this life of stabbing out ops and shooting up neeks. So man bought this dots from Quay that's fatter than chunks that's coming in weeks. Since my swag
that's fatter than chunks? What? Dog. Alright, Dsavv. Go again, bro. Cause and then I see why it got taken down, cause the man them ain't blurring out the NPK names, bro. But he blurred out a name before though.
I'll burn man's chest with fucking bullets. Make him drop him fucking sweets. Free boogie B here, beast is shanked. He shanked up and also sneaks. I can't lie, man, love this life of stabbing out ops and shooting up neeks. So man bought this
man said I love this life of stabbing up ops and shooting up neeks, bro. I believe him, bro. I believe him. I believe that a lot of these guys just love the violence, fam. Like listen to how he talks about it, bro. He describes it in detail, fam.
Also sneaks. I can't lie, man, love this life of stabbing out ops and shooting up neeks. So man bought this dots from Quay that's fatter than chunks that's coming in weeks. Since man swung this blade, I just feel like keep on swinging. E1 is a lack on the strip, I'm not gonna lie, his dead breast ringing. He should stop all the talk, if I shank his chest he's probably singing. And Rowdy wear fake ass watches, coming like his trap line in pinging. Till this day man still get vexed, I could've killed but corn kept missing. My advice to a friend of an op, you will get shot, so manual mixing.
Wait, so we just put it in songs now how we could've killed people? I'm not like, alright, you see when he said I could've got down, but he just ran fast, or you know what I'm saying, when he said I could've got them down, that's different. But when he says I could've killed him, that's when you know, like, bro, my man did not care about getting him down. He wanted that M. What? Bro, why, bro? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
And Rowdy wear fake ass watches, coming like his trap line in pinging. Till this day man still get vexed, I could've killed but corn kept missing. My advice to a friend of an op, you will get shot, so manual mixing. D1's a child of God at the gun.
You see, bro, I told you, bro, stop being friends with ops. A friend of a op is a op, bro. These niggas don't care who's out there when they pull up, fam. Everybody's getting it. What name? EBK, bro. Everybody K, bro.
My advice to a friend of an op, you will get shot, so manual mixing. D1's a child of God, had a gun to his head, but he needed fixing. Lucky the hunting jam with a tap tip bear and squeeze like sixing. I don't even know how to start. Wood green, that block comes dead. Lamb's got shot in his head, a minute later he was fucking dead. Got shanked.
Like, my God. Bro. You know, bro, these are the types of songs where you can't even vibe anymore, bro. It's like, it's reaching Lucy level. It's like he's almost talking, like, about sacrifices, bro. This don't feel like regular drills. Man. This feel different, fam. This feel real devilish, bro. I can't, you see me, I'm not even bopping. You know me. I usually full of the energy. I'm bop. I can't bop. How can I bop to lines like this? How? How?
Comes dead. Lamb's got shot in his head. A minute later, he was fucking dead. Got shanked up badly in an hour. He was fucking dead. I can't lie, your was active, but the rest need to go to their bed. I don't know how these stupid Marleys had guys thinking they had.
Did he just say someone's active? So he's giving at least one guy props from the block from being active, but everyone else is wet and dead.
Was active, but the rest need to go to their bed. I don't know how these stupid Marleys had guys thinking they had us on ropes. We was the one who was smashing their cars up, shooting the skin. We had them on ropes. Got ripped out as close as.
I big up all my Marleys. I know he's talking about EPL, because I know OFB have a couple Marleys in there, but you know, big up all my Marleys, bro. Though I don't want the Marleys stick that you'd have said I'm trying to this step.
We was the one who was smashing their cars up, shooting the skin. We had them on ropes. Got ripped out as close. His t-shirt's gonna need more than soap. The Marleys get beat.
Who said that? His t-shirt's gonna need more than soap. Someone said that before.
Had them on ropes. Got ripped out as close. His t-shirt's gonna need more than soap. The Marleys get BUNS1 senior, and I hope he copes. This beef.
And then he's gonna say something in Arabic as well, blood. Like the cheek of this guy.
Need more than soap. The Marleys get BUNS1 senior, and I hope he copes.
Let me know what he said right there.
There's gonna need more than soap. The Marleys get BUNS1 senior, and I hope he copes. This beef sometimes gets long, especially when you're beefing stupid faggots. I love it when I do my wrong. I treat the oppas like infested maggots. One time they caught me lacking, didn't this shit, and they had their daggers. Then got shot on his block. This corner right here just made them stagger. Drove on.
Fam, sometimes I find it hard to believe that these guys are younger than me, you know. I'm serious. Cause now I'm hearing this and listening to it. I'm like, there's no way that this guy is like 16, blood. What do you mean?
Senior, and I hope he copes. This beef sometimes gets long, especially when you're beefing stupid faggots.
Like, no wonder the song get taken down, bro. LGBTQ coming, you don't care about? Alright, bro. I'm not saying that I care, but just like, usually you get in trouble when you say that word.
I love it when I do my wrong. I treat the oppas like infested maggots.
What?
You're beefing stupid faggots. I love it when I do my wrong. I treat the oppas like infested maggots. One time
I treat the uppers like infested maggots. If I get rid of them. Alright, sorry, bro. That's why you named Dsavv. I see
they
why.
caught me lacking, didn't this shit, and they had their daggers. Then got shot on his block. This corner right here just made them stagger. Drove on, ready got shot on his block. Lungsy, ready got shot on his block. Ready got shot on his block, and they ain't even thought about gripping their glocks. It's sad how Joe just swapping pussy or pump or bun out his socks. Dickhead G was screaming out please, but we should've ended up in a box. He should've, man. Got splashed in his face. Fat J man also got bored.
So, bro, like after you get shot, you're not allowed to scream in pain anymore. You're not allowed to ask them not to shoot you again. You have to take the shot like a man, like a G. Boom. Like, what? Like, fam, the nigga is shot, bro. He got shot in his chest. What do you want him to do? I don't get it. I don't get it. But you see, bro, like, this song isn't even really about the song, fam. It's just about the type of violence and grease that Dsavv is talking, fam. Cause I can't even, you know? Like, I can't even find the energy for like try buffer, you know what I'm saying? Cause man, these lines make me feel like I'm the one doing the drills, and I don't want to do any drills.
It's sad how Joe just swapping pussy or pump or bun out his socks. Dickhead G was screaming out please, but we should've ended up in a box. He should've, man. Got splashed in his face. Fat J man also got bored. Reese got bored. Sav got bored, and K1 also been bored. Sneaks got bored on a wing by Boogie regardless.
Did you hear that point thing? That's a new one. They went from the Sonic Boom, Sonic Ring to the something to this.
Bored, Sav got bored, and K1 also been bored. Sneaks got bored on a wing.
Fam, bro, the man them so like they're literally in a video game. Fam, that's not right, fam. That's someone's life.
Reese got bored, Sav got bored, and K1 also been bored. Sneaks got bored on a wing by Boogie, regardless he still got bored. Philly got bored, Snaps got bored, and also got bored. If I see a up boy and he begs,
like, bro, so many man got bored. So they don't have any entertainment. that was a horrible joke, but fam, so many man got bored. No, bro, that's not right, bro. That's not right, fam. That's not right, dog. I don't even have anything to say, bro. But it's like he just kept saying and got bored and got bored and got bored. Like, bro, like how many times you gonna like how many more names you gonna say, bro? Like how many? How many?
And K1 also.
No. Listen, bro. Just listen.
Burn out his socks. They kept G was screaming out, please.
I don't even want to hear that line again.
But we should have ended up in a box. He should have, man. Got splashed in his face. Fat J man also got bored. Reese got bored. Sav got bored. And K1 also been bored. Sneaks got bored on a wing by Boogie. Regardless, he still got bored. Philly got bored. Snaps got bored. And also got bored. If I see a up boy and he begs.
That's 9 points the man just named, fam. I'm hoping all those 9 points weren't him, dog. Come, bro, just for his sanity, bro. Just for, you know what I'm saying, the betterment of the community. Please, I hope all those 9 points aren't his. No. He said Boogie Boy is someone in jail. So no. It's not his. Not his.
I'll kill him. I don't give a fuck. I get him on.
Oh my God. Fam, how can I be talking about this guy and his violence and thinking like, you know, when I start back, he's gonna, you know, spit some bars and start flowing? No, man. I would kill him. I don't give a fuck. What? Why?
Sneaks got bored on a wing by Boogie. Regardless, he still got bored. Philly got bored. Snaps got bored. And also got bored. If I see a up boy and he begs, I'll kill him. I don't give a fuck. I get him on board.
If I see a up boy and he begs, I'll kill him. I don't give a fuck. Fam, at least if he ends up in jail, then we can't question it. We can't be like, yo, walk on, what happened? We just want to know who it happened to, but we're not going to question why these have ended up in jail, fam. You understand? This song alone, if I was a police, I would have just be like, nah, man. Nah, man, you need to forward, man. Go in another cage, them, man. I want him, man. Lock up that, man. Bro, listen to this guy, fam. Not saying, you know, free all the man them in that, but if I was a PC Anderson, I can see why they would want these guys off the streets, blood.
Also got bored. If I see a up boy and he begs, I'll kill him. I don't give a fuck. I get him on board and I pray to the Lord. I ain't stopping till points be scored.
But just man, board him up and alhamdulillah. No, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. As in, repent for your sins, but don't do that.
I'll kill him. I don't give a fuck. I get him on board and I pray to the Lord. I ain't stopping till points be scored. It's 12 and I stepped in the field. These past 4 years I've seen blood poured. The lane's been toured, the night's been toured, and TPL also been toured.
He jumped on road at 12. Not unheard of, because Quankface let us know that he's been in this thing 10 years deep. So, and he's probably, 21? So he's been on road for 11 or he's 22 or whatever. But you understand? It's not unheard of for the man them join road at 12. But for me, you know what I wanted to do at 12, bro? Play FIFA 12. I didn't want to get 12 points on the ups. Bro, man. These guys, they live like... This is why it's so entertaining, because I just can't understand it. Like, I understand it, but it still don't make sense. Aye.
Yes, I've seen blood poured. The lane's been toured, the night's been toured, and TPL also been toured.
And that's how it done. Man said, jumped on road at 12. The past 4 years, I've seen all blood been poured. I believe him.
Past 4 years, I've seen blood poured.
I believe him, bro. Listen to all that violence the man just described. Bro, he has like a whole heap of more years for violence for go through, bro. Nah, man. If I was going to jump on the road, man, I would have to jump on late, man. Like 18, 19, man. From 12. That's too much to be seen as a 12, 13, 14-year-old, bro. Your brain not even developed enough to manage all those emotions and stuff, bro. You can't deal with that, bro. And my dogs outside are going off. You can hear that. Madness. You understand? But, yo, let me just make this done, yo. Cause I can't, yeah.
The lane's been toured, the night's been toured, and TPL also been toured.
Wow. Dsavv's parents must be so disappointed. look at our son. Look at our son, man. He's out there being a menace to society. He's a savage. Exposing liars. You see how they have the L in purple and the I in green? But why is the A in blue? Who flag blue? TPL flag blue? No, CGM flag blue. And they don't like CGM. Alright, man. I don't know, man. But I know about the green and the purple, man. You understand? And they really don't like CGM. So, anyway, man. I don't even know what to say, bro. Because I'm not going to rate this like I rate regular songs. Because this isn't a regular song, bro. He just came to express all his rage and violence that he has built up in the 4 years that he's been on the road. So, let me know what you think about this. Hey! Them not gonna stop because there's some guys fixing some stuff outside, so they're not gonna stop. I need to just hurry up and done this. Listen. Dsavv needs therapy. If you actually like this song for a song, like let me know in the comments, bro. Because I need to know like the type of fucked up people that's out there, bro. That's watching my shit, you know what I'm saying? Because if you like this as a song, you're fucked up, fam. But yo, hit that like button or hit that dislike button and jump in the comments. KOGENCY reacts. I don't mind. Don't know how to wear the bro. The amount of borings what happened, bro. I had to wear the puffer vest, bro, to protect my chest, bro. Come on, man. Dsavv was going to give me like 15 chest shots, bro. I can't do that, man. He named 9 points. That's 9 chest shots I was going to get, fam. Couldn't do that, bro. I had to PYC, man. But yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. KOGENCY reacts. Shout out. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Come with the girl. Them want them fuck them know for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me.